Let 2020 be the year where you don't have to worry about somebody snatching your edges off. What's poppin', Geminites? It's a girl, Miss Jemima, and I'm back at it again with another video. So today, hair flip, we are going to talk about the edges I'm about to place on my scalp. I don't know if you're ready for me to change your life, for me to wow your life, but it's about to go down. So it's been a while since I've worn a wig like outside the house, other than for like a photo shoot or something, because ever since I cut my hair, I've had two issues. One, I no longer have my relaxed edges to kind of blend in with the wig, and two, I don't feel secure with the wig anymore because my biggest thing was to have like the combs attached to my hair. But sis, what hair? So today I'm about to show you how I got my life together. Okay, first things first, slap on this wig cap. Okay, so I like to wear mine's like a beanie a little bit. Just slide it to the back, slide to the back, and then I take this very wonderful device. It looks a little gross right now. This is called the Wig Fix, and I absolutely freaking love this. Okay, let me tell you how this changed my life. So I use this to keep the wig secured onto my scalp, whether I'm wearing a wig cap or not. And I like it because it has like teeth on both sides of it. And it's like this silicone band that you put on your head, and the teeth both attaches to the wig and also attaches to the wig cap or your hair or whatever the case is. For me, I like to do both, the wig cap and my hair. So I put it back, and then I put the Wig Fix on, bam. Okay, a little bit on the scalp, okay, on the hair, a little bit on the cap. So by placing this here, it keeps both the cap in place, and this will also help adhere the wig to my head. Do you see what I'm doing here? So if you're looking at it and wondering why it's brown, here's the tea. Because this is silicone, you can put your makeup on it, okay? You can put whatever color makeup you want to make it blend in with your scalp, to make it blend through the lace, okay? They sprinkled magic unicorn fairy dust something on this in the factory, and now I can literally make this into any color I wanted to. If I wanted to put makeup on it and make it the same color my cap situation, I could do that. I wouldn't do that, but I could do that. Instead, what I like to do is, as you can see the makeup that's already on it, when I'm bronzing my face, I like to go ahead and slide this down, take that same brush and apply the bronzer onto my forehead and then up onto the wig cap as well. That way, boom, it's a nice little match, okay? Things stay in place. If you see me looking up, I'm sorry, I'm looking at the viewfinder because I didn't bring the mirror. Like the smart person I am. So yeah, and I placed it a little bit behind my actual hairline. I also put a little bit of foundation, not foundation, bronzing powder on my widow's peak, you know, just a little bit. Because, you know, the goal is to have everything look a little natural, okay? With minimal effort. So I also have been feeling confident in wearing wigs again because sorry, I'm reaching for my wig here. Have wigs made with widow's peak for me. So honestly, if I didn't have like extra flaps of scalp on the front to mimic my actual hairline, I would never have to glue it down. Like, for real, sis, I would never. Like, it's literally easy as 1, 2, 3. Like, yo, my life is forever changed and y'all don't even know. I got so excited, I bought 4 more wigs. Like, if I didn't have a problem before, I definitely have one now. I don't mind a little bald spot right here. It's a situation. This wig feels so good on my head right now because of that Wig Fix. Mind you, this wig is a little big for me and I don't have the elastic band secured, but this is like, sis, I feel so secure, okay? So if I really want to be extra, you know, I'll go ahead and glue like that little flap down, just because of course I said it's a little extra material that was custom made to match my ridiculous hairline. But honestly, like, that's the only reason why I would do it, just to melt the lace. I don't feel like I have to glue it for my hair to stay in place, which is another fear of mine. Sis, secure the wig. That's always the motto of 2020. 2019, we had too many videos on Instagram, on Facebook, on social media, periods, of the wigs not being secured. Sis, I'm teaching you now how to secure the wig, all right? And this is how you do it. This is so lit. Like, y'all don't understand how hype I am about this. Like, if any of you guys have short hair, you know the struggle. It is so hard to get a wig to feel like snug and tight and secured. So I did a little struggle curling situation last night. Don't judge me, judge your mom. I think it looks okay, like it's decent. Y'all, when I say this feels so secured, like I'm telling you, it's so secured. Now, I'm not telling you to call your boyfriend and have him play tug of war on your wig, okay? When you guys are doing the hanky-panky. I'm not telling you to let him grab your hair, and I'm not telling you any of that, all right? That's not what this is made for. But if a little breeze comes your way, you'll be okay. Come on, bars. And if your hair gets caught in somebody's jacket, you'll be okay. All right, sis? Like, this is such a look. Yo, this is like for real changed my life. These curls don't look half bad on camera. I love this. Oh my God. What lace, Meek? What lace? What lace, Meek? What lace? Oh my God, I love this so much. It is so awesome. And it's so easy to get the makeup off. Whatever you use to take your makeup off your face, you can use that to take off the makeup from the Wig Fix. Makeup wipe, washcloth, whatever. It's so easy. I love this, y'all. I love it. What? I'm cute. What? Yes. So all in all, like, I've really been enjoying this. If you guys noticed, I've been wearing wigs a lot more often on social media, on YouTube, on Instagram, in person. Like, I'm living my best life. I have missed wearing wigs so much. Like, let 2020 be the year where you don't have to worry about somebody snatching your edges off, okay? Somebody, you know, snatching the lace off your scalp. Let 2020 not be the year when, you know, our started off braids are revealed, when our color purple plaits are revealed, okay? That doesn't have to happen to us anymore. It doesn't. It doesn't, okay? So if I see a video on you on Instagram not having your wig secure, sis, like, I know that it's gonna be on you, okay? Because I did my part. I played my role in putting you on, okay? I told you about the Wig Fix. I told you how to get the wig fixed. See what I did there? So, sis, if your wig is not secured in 2020, like, that's on you, sis. You don't love yourself, you don't care about yourself, you're unhappy, you're miserable, and you want to stay that way. You don't want to get better. And I want you to get better. I want more for you. I just want you to level up in life, okay? That same prayer that Sierra had for her man, she had it for her edges, okay? She had it for her lace. I'm just trying to put you on, sis. I'm telling you what the prayer is. The prayer is go to, you know, the website and put in your PayPal information and get you the Wig Fix, because it's literally everything that you didn't know you needed. You can custom color it. I feel like y'all don't understand what I'm saying right now. You can custom color your Wig Fix to match your lace, to match your scalp, to match your, what's it called? Wig cap. You know how amazing that is? You know, listen, sis, I'm dropping the tea. It's up to you if you want to take it or not. But like I said, I played my role. I did my part. You know, I fulfilled my duty, mission accomplished. And on that note, I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for the Wig Fix, for giving me this. Oh my God, for changing my life. Oh my God, y'all gonna see me doing hair flips every month video. because it's so popping. Yes, y'all, I feel like she's a queen to be. That's how I feel right now. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Toodles. Okay, get you some Wig Fix, sis. Okay, come on, weak girls. Toodles.